Hello, science students. Miss Carlin here. So this week I was a little bit concerned when I noticed a significant number of you were struggling to make inferences during one of our assignments. Very often you were using observations instead of inferences. So I wanted to review a little bit the difference between an observation and an inference. So notice over here on this side, and I'm talking about this crazy cool image, by the way, from the movie Microcosmos. Observation, I notice the thing in the picture is green with black markings, is on a plant stem. Notice. And you're going to see words like I notice, I see, I hear, I saw, using those senses, okay? I felt. So when we use our senses and then we describe what we experienced, we're making observations. But if we try to think about, explain, or hypothesize about why things are the way they are, then we are making an inference. So this is when we are taking the next step after the observation. So it's not the observation itself. It's going a step further in the critical thinking process. So I think it's green, so it blends in with the plants that it's on. So I'm not telling you what I see, I'm telling you what I think, or I expect, or I predict, or I hypothesize, or I guess. So observe is to notice, feel, hear, see, that kind of thing. To infer is to explain, to think, to predict. Okay, taking it one step further. I hope this helps you a little bit, and I'm probably going to ask you to show me you can do this skill again. And we practice it all year and throughout science. It's an incredibly important skill. I hope this helped you out a little bit.